Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to change your age on Discord. It's simple. First of all, you need to understand that there is no option on Discord app to change your age. So you have to simply visit on Google Chrome, open your Google browser, Discord Sport, right. Press on that. You can simply press on menu bar. Then you can see the option of submit a request. Press on that and simply press on that arrow button and go in trust and safety and press any email address whatever you want. Alright, press here your appeals, age, update or other questions. Simply select that. Update my age information. Add your phone number. Whatever you registered on that. I want to add this and add your date of birth. And press on check this button and simply add the subject, change my age, and write the description. Or you can say my age is mentioned 15, like this, 11 1997, and I want to change this to 15 12 1997. Please review my request. Alright, and then submit. That's it. Within next 24 hours you will receive the message from the Discord support service to change your age. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.